Hardscape.com. We are at another project that it is using our porcelain paver, our shellstone porcelain paver. Here goes to get a close up. It's a little dirty right now, kind of hard to see. It's a pool remodel and the installation of porcelain. Specialty Pavers is the company installing, and we happen to have Frank here with Specialty Pavers. And Frank, why was porcelain paver chosen for this particular project versus your regular concrete paver or marble paver? What were the concerns?
Well, there's really no concerns. It was just night and day difference. This is actually my pool deck, and I have some little kids. So one of the main reasons why I'm installing this is because it's slip resistant already. A couple other reasons is because it's cooler than any other material you're going to find on the market. Pavers, marble, travertine, you can't compare it. It doesn't stain, and pretty much it's just safe for my kids. So that's one of the main reasons why I'm installing this.
Oh, the size being that is a 24 by 24, and did anything for you guys to make that decision as well? You know that it's kind of hard to get a product that is only 3/4 of an inch thick on a 24 by 24 that can go in a pool deck like this and still have 22,000 psi. Was that part of your decision?
Definitely. I know that this is one of the sturdiest also materials that you can get comparing to travertine, marble, and pavers. You know, we're going to grout it, we're going to install it the right way. My guys are professionals now in installing the porcelain because we're doing so many of the jobs. So I have no concerns the way it's being installed and no concerns the way it's going to hold up.
That's good. That's good. I appreciate it, Frank. Listen, if you guys are out there in the Deerfield, West Palm Beach, Miami area, and you guys are looking for a porcelain paver installer, call Frank. Frank, what number should they call, and what is your website so they can reach you in case they want to get one of these beautiful products that we are offering?
You can call me on my cell phone. The number is 954-652-9391. And our website is www.special-t-pavers.com.
Great. Thanks a lot, Frank. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
This is a beautiful job, guys. Our shell stone again being installed in this beautiful deck. Once everything is done, we'll bring you some nice pictures. If you guys have any questions, call Frank. He left his number there. Go to his website, specialtypavers.com. For the product, you can look us up, Hardscape.com. Give us a call, 888-513-6374. Beautiful job. It's a little dirty, like I said, but we'll bring you more pictures when the job is completely installed.